Ulies. Oh.
They do not seem pleased to see us.
That's weird.
Alva, Mo, thank goodness you're here. We're all just so confused.
What's happening, Mayor Garth?
Everyone in Gizmo has received strange messages from you, but they've all just been silly tricks.
What? But I would never do anything like that.
This does sound unusual. Tell us more about the strange messages, Mayor Garth.
Well, Uli Pop got a message from Alva to dance by the Blobbo tree. But Alva never showed up.
Uh-oh.
Leaving Uli Palm waiting in the cold. She had to dance by herself just to stay warm.
Oh, still no sign of Alva.
Oh, poor Uli Palm. That's terrible.
What else happened?
Well, let me see. Oh, Uli Bean got a message from Alva saying there was a pink Gizmo moon. Seen only once in a gazillion moons.
That's just a regular moon.
Only there was no pink Gizmo moon. Just lots of rain.
Huh? Why did Alva send me here?
Oh no, I feel awful for Uli Bean. But I didn't send any of these mean messages.
They look like they came from you. See?
But I don't even have a Giz phone. Someone's playing mean and silly tricks, pretending to be me.
That's not very nice for you or the Ulies.
Who could be sending these fake messages?
Sending fake messages pretending to be Alva is the best gag ever pulled on those Uli Foolies.
Yeah, and we didn't even have to troll wig in some stinky bush.
But we're hiding in a bush right now.
Oh yeah, but at least it's not stinky. Let's send more fake messages.
Oh, hi everyone.
Hi, Uli Bean. I'm really sorry about the pink Gizmo moon, but it was a fake message from someone pretending to be me.
I thought it was strange, but I just got another message from you a moment ago. Look.
Huh?
Can you tell me what that means?
Urgent. Meet me in the park. Bring all your trolley pops.
Alva, the message says it was sent a minute ago.
This isn't from Alva. She's been right here with me all this time, and she didn't send anything. This is another mean trick.
So you don't want any trolley pops?
No, thank you.
Aha! Alva says, sorry, fake Alva says, leave your trolley pops in the park by the bubble bush.
Maybe we can use them to find my faker for real and stop them from tricking any more Ulies. This way.
Yay!
Uli Bean, leave your trolley pops there. We'll hide and see who's faking it being me. Someone's coming! Quick!
Oh, my.
Ha! Trolley Pops! Uli Bean fell for it!
Our fake messages really are the best.
Let's take a photo and send another fake message from fake Alva thanking the Uli Fooly.
Humble bluff, too funny.
It's not funny. You're just a couple of mean trolls who shouldn't pretend to be someone you're not.
Oh no, Humble Bluff, we've been caught out.
You should tell Alva you're sorry and every Uli you've tricked.